Okay, so before I get started on today's lessons, I want to point out the three different parts of a wheat berry or a wheat seed. There's the bran, the endosperm, and the germ. So the bran is the outside of the seed of what they call the wheat berry. The endosperm takes up most of what the inside is, and then the germ is this little pocket right here that's very nutrient dense. This is what the new plant sprouts from. So if you were to take a seed, one of the wheat berries, and you were to plant it in the ground, this little area will start to sprout and grow, and it will break through the bran. The bran is the outer shell, is the hard part. So the difference between whole wheat and white wheat flour is that the whole wheat still has the bran and the germ. It has the outside component. And because it has the germ, it doesn't last as long on the shelf, which is why one of the reasons why they created the all-purpose flour to begin with. But the thing you need to know is because we remove the germ and the bran, we're also removing a lot of the nutrients, especially when we remove the germ. It contains so many nutrients that we need for daily life. And so one of the reasons why we need to do the starter with whole wheat is because all those different nutrients in there make a better environment for the bacteria to start growing.
Good morning, class, and welcome to day 2 of the project. I'm super excited. All right, so to recap yesterday, in here we have 50 grams of whole wheat flour and 50 grams of water. Today we are going to be doing the same thing. We're gonna add another 50 grams of flour into here and then 50 grams of water into here. I have my scale. My scale also tells me the temperature of the room, which is a very nice feature to have. I'm super excited about this scale. So right now it is 63 degrees. Kind of cold, but that's okay. So I'm gonna record the temperature just so I know. So temp, 63 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, and then I'm going to zero out the bowl. So what that means is if I have this on, if I take this off, now it says it's negative 210 grams. So I put it back on, it goes back to 0. So I can add anything I want to this bowl until it tells me 50 there, and it's already subtracted the weight of the bowl. So I don't have to do 210 plus 50. So here we go. It's not very much. Just 50 grams. Let's see here. $46, so I'm getting close. So I'm just gonna ease some in. 47, 48, 49, 50. 50 grams of flour. So now I can close this back up. I'm gonna open this. It's exciting, first time opening it. Smell. Okay, just smells like flour. Not much is gonna be happening the first day, okay? We're still developing the bacteria. I'm gonna pour this in there. And then shake this all. Boom. Okay, so another 50 grams are in there. Now I'm gonna grab some water. Now I need ooh, 51. Perfect. So now I can pour this 50 grams of water in here. I'm gonna make sure I get it all. See how much water was left? Makes a big difference. Got the water in. So now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna mix it all up. Get everything all mixed. Get the sides. I don't want any dry pieces anywhere. All right, so I think I got it all. Doing a good inspection here, making sure it's all wet. It's wet and it's sticky. I want it all in there. The more the merrier. Close it back up. Lock it down. That out, and then I should have 1,000 and okay, so 2 grams short, which is okay. So I have 1,040 grams, 1 gram short. So perfect. I have exactly 100 more grams than yesterday. Total weight is 1,040 grams. I added flour and water. 50 grams and 50 grams. All right, so I have my journal entry recorded. I have my starter here, and I'm ready to go. So, thank you for joining me on day 2. Day 3 is going to be tomorrow, and we're gonna do something different tomorrow. We have to take some out of here tomorrow and then add more in, all right? So, see you all tomorrow.
Here's a picture of today's journal entry with the weights and temperature. Tune in tomorrow to find out what the bacteria is actually doing and why it's needed.